I think bacteria are the coolest organisms on the planet. All the information that's needed for life is stuffed into this little tiny package.
There's microbes everywhere. They do everything. They have biochemical abilities that we don't have, plants don't have, protozoa don't have.
These organisms are involved in nutrient cycling and the degradation of materials, the fixing of carbon, taking sunlight and converting it to molecules on the planet that we, as humans and other animals, actually use for our sustenance.
They fill every niche on Earth. They live in the Arctic and Antarctic under the ice. They, exist out in the stratosphere. They probably exist by now out in space.
If you think about hot springs where it gets over hundreds of degrees, they're there. They can survive huge radioactive events and reassemble their DNA. Just what they're able to get away with, adapt to, is incredible.
Microorganisms were here hundreds of millions to billions of years before mammals were. In fact, mammals are thought to be composed of little pieces of microorganisms.
They degrade things, they make things, they keep us healthy. Yes, they cause a few diseases, but that's a really tiny number of microorganisms that do that.
So they're really important for the functioning of our planet. They're also important for the functioning of you. In fact, you as a person are made of more microorganisms on a per cell basis than animal cells, and you live intimately with these organisms.
It's kind of like the first time you look through a telescope and realize that those little dots that you see in the sky are in fact entire galaxies. That's what it's like when you look at bacteria. You realize that little dot of colony on a plate actually has billions of bacteria on it, and each one of them is doing something different, and yet they're also working in coordination with each other.
So they're really essential for all life on this planet as we know today.
Wow, they're very cool.